Hello everyone, my name is Nilanjanam and I am planning to go to USA. When I was doing my research about my course institution, I came to know that English test is a must. Definitely, I had heard a lot about IELTS, that it is the most preferred language test. I came across some people who were saying IELTS is tough and you can not easily clear that exam. But honestly, I don't feel like anything because I came in touch with IDP IELTS and it was extremely smooth. I visited the IELTS website where I found there are a lot of course material provided over there, and the mock test was quite helpful for me in my preparation. So I took then I next day I took the test and I scored around 7 bank. I am extremely happy that finally my dream has come true. In the end, I will definitely advise you to not listen to people and just go ahead with IELTS, take the test and fulfill your USA dream also.